Are you sick of how ugly the overflow tank looks like on your late model Falcon? That's ugly. Well, Proflow has the answer with these beautiful fabricated aluminium tanks. They're available in black anodized or polished, and they're an easy fit to your late model Falcon. So let's show you how easy they are to fit. So the Proflow header tank is made for all Falcons from BA through to FG, and it comes with all the fittings. The only exception is that the FG Falcon only uses one fitting there, where the BA BF uses two fittings there. So for the FG, we've just got to block one off with a little -6 ORB fitting. But other than that, it is all right to go. So let's get it in the car. How easy was that? Not only was it quick to fit, but it looks amazing as well. So jump on the website at vpw.com.au and order yours today.